It's been raining 3 days, so welcome to the tropics. Yeah, a lot of rain.
Well, with all this rain, I would think I was back in the United States watching the Mississippi going by. Well, it's nothing like being stuck on a boat for 2 or 3 days, a small boat with nothing to do. Well, welcome to the other side of cruising. Usually it's all green, the vegetation's all green, the ocean's all blue, but sometimes it's not. Well, I've been stuck on the boat for 2 or 3 days. I'm going stir crazy. I can't do no more YouTube, so I'm going to go to town and see if there's any restaurants open.
Wow.
Well, it's hard to tell, but all these boats got like 10 inches of water in them. Well, welcome to the DR. You can go months without rain, but when it rains, it really rains. Well, cool. Neil says restaurants open today, best food in town, and it's going to be like a private party. There's nobody in town. Well, usually on Wednesday night there's a full band and there's no seats available in this place. It's packed full. But because of all the rain, I guess I'll sit here and eat with these guys. Well, if you're ever in Lupron, go see Nilsa. She's like the best cook in town. Well, I try to make these videos so you guys will know what it's like living in the boat in the tropics. Can't be sunshine all the time, but welcome to the tropics.